checkout. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Gimme, gimme, gimme.
My goodness.
So it's kind of different to order from here. You have to order. Your hamburgers don't come kind of like, you know, with lettuce and tomato and all that automatically. You have to actually say, I want lettuce, tomato, ketchup, mustard. And it comes with sides like broccoli, fries, chili. Like you pick 2 sides.
And they sound like you're talking to
an auctioneer.
Thank you. Okay.
Those my BLTs.
I don't know. It looks like a small bag with BLT. What's this? You got it.
Your burger?
My burger.
Where's your fries?
My fries in here, where you can't get to them.
What's that?
Your BLT in there?
I don't know what this is. I've never ate here before.
This is a burger.
Oh, those fries are good.
You did You got BLT?
These fries are good.
Jessica, you got BLT?
Yeah, I got 2 of them. These are nice and greasy.
That's very healthy to say. Why are you snatching my box?
So you can drive.
I'm driving just fine. You trying to eat? Do a YouTube video about Saturday night?
Yeah.
During quarantine?
Our store's open to full hours almost. We in phase yellow.
That's where we are?
Mm-hmm. She told me this week.
That's Pennsylvania. That was surrounding.
Oh, okay, whatever.
Surrounding prior mixing.
I don't think we're... anyways, I'm not going to talk about work money right now. But I really wanted to try...
I really wanted to try.
the banana pineapple shake, because I've never heard of them.
Isn't that what you
They
got?
have some crazy milkshakes.
How does it taste?
And it's so freaking thick. Like...
They give you a spoon to go with it.
I can barely get anything in my mouth. So practice.
Did you get it? Did you get it?
You didn't get it.
That's what she said.
That's what you said. Well, I can taste a little bit of the pineapple. Just a little.
Oh, you worked something up through the straw?
Yeah, I'm getting some chunks.
Chunks?
Pineapple chunks?
Yeah. You'd be in trouble if it's a banana chunk.
I seriously doubt that it's real banana that they put in there.
I seriously doubt it.
Chemical bananas. But you know, we got 2 sides, 3 sandwiches, a really good milkshake, and a Coke. What's your Coke rate? Coke for $13, which is relatively cheap compared to what we almost paid $30 at
What is that?
Popeyes.
What is that? What is that? Police at the bank.
The police are at the bank.
Yeah.
Just to snooping around.
Yeah.
Here, give me your sandwich.
I got it. It's not about
drink some of this.
No.
I'll be right back. I want y'all to see when Tracy tries to get something out of the straw. Oh, hang on a second.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yay. Say yeah, Tracy. Yeah.
No,
Yeah, Tracy.
Tracy,
Yeah.
no.
How are we going to get one? I'm talking about parking spaces. Oh, and I need some vape juice.
Some what?
I can't even find my vape pen.
Vape? Oh, gosh. You know that's part of your money, right?
I do.
Uh-huh.
I do, sir.
I want to see how you're going to get it.
Well, I'm getting what I need.
Okay.
Somebody's
Somebody's
really
coming.
need cigarettes, but
What?
look at all these parking spots are full. We can't even get into the gas station. I'm telling you, for a little town,
Oh, God. Somebody behind me.
this place is quite busy.
I got it. Come on, man.
Okay, I'll show y'all.
Oh, I see one at the end.
Oh, it's shit. Can you get something out? Get the milkshake out of the straw.
know.
I wasn't either. Let me see. I've been in the gas station for like
I
10 minutes.
I think you got a chunk stuck in the straw.
Dang! His straw went flat.
I think you got
Shit's
something.
like ice cream. Why don't they just sell it as ice cream? Because now let me see. So guys, after about 15 minutes,
Did you get the chunk?
you can actually drink it.
That's gonna fill you up, and then you're not gonna be able to eat.
Well, I want to eat my sandwiches for breakfast.
Okay.
See, here it goes again.
Okay, you wanna eat your sandwich for breakfast? Little McKenna still out there?
Yeah, she's swinging so high on that bench. She's about to fly over the fence. Anyways, guys, I'm off of work. It was a rough one today, but I'm so excited to be home
Is that the 10 o'clock?
because I got this big ass box in the mail.
Oh gosh.
And I want to see. I got a little story to tell you about that one. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we love you so much.
Love you so much.